What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. I wanted to show you guys my automotive section of the garage, which doesn't get used that often, but it's going to do a little rundown of the toolbox. We'll start there real quick and then we'll verge off on other things. You guys know I had the Milwaukee and I sold that because I didn't think I'd have the room in the garage, and I don't. I might get something new here, but I just brought the old Craftsman back, and she is stocked up. But anyways, I have been going through some sockets and whatnot. The Ulsa tool organizers are awesome. There's the Black & Decker 1/4 inch. There's the S long neck, and then this is my Tang tool 1/2 inch torque ratchet. On the sides I got my lights, a lot of magnetic trays and stuff. This was a socket for the axle nut of the Kia Borrego, and there's some other stuff up there and down here. But here we go. So top drawer, just kind of like a junk drawer. This is where that Honeywell light is, in case if I need it for assistance. Minus that. Got the Icon Gold and just some miscellaneous stuff in here. Got the terminal cleaners, bolt biter, some magnets and stuff. Top drawer be the ratchet drawer. Pretty well set on ratchets. Here's the Ward's Master. I'm going to clear some of these out. Got a gear wrench here, and some other goodies. I do like the Husky stuff, but that's pretty much it. It's this freaking one. But you know, these are loaded down pretty good, and this thing's held up pretty well. This just got a battery tester OEM. Got this recently. I liked my tab scan better, but I got this out of necessity because I didn't have my tab scan with me, so I kept this one instead of returning it because I don't do stuff like that. This gear wrench, ratchet set with the long and the short. This is a great little set. It's really helped me out in certain situations. I love it. Good stuff. Here is the socket drawer with those Ulsa tools. Sorry, these are some projects I got going on here. But that's the best thing about the Ulsa tools, is I can look down in there and see exactly what I'm grabbing. Now, my socket sets are completed just from like really cheap sockets I've gotten over the years and different kits. And then I also went and I ordered a lot of like Tecton and other brands just to round out my kit. You know, I have Husky, Tecton, Craftsman. Here's a heart. You know, these hearts are actually pretty good. They work well. This is probably a heart too. But I have a very wide assortment of ratchets. Down here, this is just a blow mold case for the 1/4 inch. This is a new tool, and then I got my cordless ratchets there. This is a pass-through ratchet set I barely use. 3/8, 1/2 inch, and then this is heat gun, doing heat shrink and stuff. And then in the back, when I was doing, I think it's the transmission pan or something, I need an inch-pound torque wrench, so I got this one. I have another one in the back there. They worked well, you know, to torque them properly how I need them. This drawer, this is just like a really cheap punch and chisel set. Nothing special there. No brass punches. I probably should get some. Just got a hyper tough hammer, dead blow, gear wrench, gasket scrapers, and I used these gear wrench, and I think I have some Work Pro picks and stuff right there, both long and small picks. Use them a lot on boiler pumps and whatnot. And then these Nico trim panel puller set, they're really nice. A lot better than, I mean, this one is not bad. It came free with a kit of a bunch of them, but they work out nice. Got my little, this is really like a flooring hammer, but it's in there for some reason. Tecton pry bars, and then I actually got this one, which is the Tech Pro. It's indexing, which is comes in handy, especially when you're doing like front end suspension work and stuff like that. Just worked out well. I mean, there's a lot of stuff in these drawers, and it holds them just fine. Here's the big one. So I got these at Ross's. I didn't have a little stubby set, and $6. I figured, why not? I think they're metric. Why not? So these are Craftsman reversible wrenches there. You know, classic design. Then underneath of them, I have my regular wrench set there. Bunch of Stanley and some others. And then I have a bunch of these Huskies that have been used both for automotive and shower stems, to get them in there. They're actually, they're you know, they're expensive for sure, but when I've needed them for whatever, they work well. They're not like reversible, you just flip it over, but they work out really, really well. And down here, soldering iron, tap and die kit. This is ball bearing puller presser kit. This is, what is this one? Oh yeah, this is a ball joint separator or something like that. This is a cool oil filter ratchet kit I bought. The brand is ETA tools. They have a nice assortment. I think this is what I use for the Borrego, but it just comes with so many different options in here. And this is a gear wrench, spark plug socket, puller, and then we have my two impact socket sets, the Nico and the Dovett, X Dovett. And over here, this was for the O2 sensors on my Borrego, but I'm sure they work. It works for other things. Over on this side, got the Hyper Tough light. Have this 1/2" tang tool, which is a cheap one, but it works well. Same with, got the 1/2" breaker bar. If it's 24 or 30" somewhere along those lines. And then back here, just got nut drivers, got my Hazets, got a big Powercraft. It's a bolt extractor kit, Work Pro oil filter, pliers, and then my Torx Master Mechanics. And then over here, we just got some fun stuff for oil changes and lube and all that. Some electrical connectors. And this is my lube hard drawer right there. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm thinking about getting a new one just because I could use the room and organize, but again, I don't use this stuff that often. I got that Husky jack, and then it came with these two 6-ton jack stands, and I think it might have came with the bottle jack, and it's like $150, something like that. I think this is a 6-ton, but these come in handy for construction also, for all sorts of things. So there's my little rundown. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.